So AI definitely not a replacement for testers. I want to ensure that it is an intelligent assistant to embed the quality pipeline in the right way, right? So examples, different ways we can think about. I mean, I'll talk more about detail, in this meeting. But there are a lot of ways we can leverage AI to help the quality engineering's day-to-day life, right? Some of them are like, smart test selection, right? So using the AI models, what we can do is we can contextualize the models to see, what kind of code changes we're making, and what is the commit histories, and then also, uh, past defects and trends like that. That's an important because one of this example is smart test selection is you have thousands of tests to run, right? And and then you have to wait the whole cycle to complete and then ship it to production, right? But rather, the smart test selection gives, for example, if I have a login module or a payment module, right? The engineer makes code changes only for the payment module. So we can train the AI models to pick only the payment related tests, right? So that saves a lot of time. Traditionally, let's say it takes 2 hours to run. The payment test itself may take less than 5 minutes or less than 10 minutes, right? So this is one of the ways where AI can be leveraged to our SDLC lifecycle, right? And then the other one could be flaky test, right? So today, one of the biggest pain points for I'm sure all the quality engineers have is the flaky test because of the waiting times or test data and dependencies or updating the UI every time there is a change. Engineers do not communicate with quality engineers, and then the test fail. There's so many things, right? Using the AI, we can also predict, or we can kind of update the test. And there are a lot of AI mechanisms where the AI itself will update the locators and rerun the test and make sure the test pass. This is one of the examples, right? And then the other things are like primarily like anomaly detection, right? So there are a lot of hidden defects in reality, like um, that is only uncovered in production, because we always see that we signed off the test and then we go to production and then suddenly we see a production issue, right? And then those kind of things can be also AI can help in anomaly detection, like where it can continuously monitor specific things, specific telemetry data, and then whenever it flags any specific latencies or anything, it immediately flags the engineer and then taking it forward, right? So these are some of the different ways it helps the engineers, quality engineers or the platform engineers